What's going on, guys? This is Driven by BQ. Today we're going to be working on the Lexus GX 2022. So this is my rig. I built it specifically for overlanding, occasional rock crawling. I'll dive deep into this build on a separate day. But I finally received a package from RCI Offroad for my sliders and my skid plates. So these are the aluminum skid plates I'll be installing today. I'm not gonna do a full walkthrough because you guys should know how to install these damn skid plates. But I'm actually very surprised that my car has made it this long without any damages, without any sliders. But I took off the original sliders that came with the GX. I actually cut them off, as you can see here. But come with me. We're gonna start off with the RCI skid plates. These are the raw aluminum from RCI. I think they're based in Utah. These are bought by me. I am not sponsored, unfortunately, by RCI, so I can speak the honest truth. It took a damn long time for me to get this. It said 8 to 10 weeks online listed on the website, but I think it took over 3 months for me to get these damn skid plates. So I've been raw dogging the trails the past couple of months. But let's get to the unboxing. All right, so let's pull out the damn skid plates. Oh, that's nice. So this is the aluminum one. I think it'll look pretty cool. If you could check under here real quick, you can see that I have Go Far North, which is a radiator filler plate, but with the stock skids. So I'm gonna use a 10 mil. This is for my filler plate by Go North. This is that hardware?
Yeah.
All right, check it. So this is the filler plate by Go Far North on Instagram. DM them if you want a pretty cool filler plate to protect your radiator. You need a 12 millimeter to take it out. Pretty much done, guys. Alright, so once the skid plates are I forgot what it's called. Skid plates are installed, bring in these rock sliders and let's get this installed, baby.
How heavy are those?
This feels like 50 pounds each. Alright, so I got the rock sliders. You can get them, you can essentially get them in different degree in terms of how much you want it to tilt up. I went with pretty much standard, well, 0, so that it's flatter so that we can use it as a step. Also, I went with black with the top tread, so that you have more grip on those sweaty feet.
Legs up, ladies, legs up.
All right, guys, so we have officially completed the RCI slider installation along with the RCI aluminum skid plates. So here's a quick summary because this is the next day before I dive deep into how it looks. It wasn't a tough project, but it does require 2 people. If you were to do it yourself, make sure you have jack stands, but again, ask somebody for help, because if I didn't have help, it would have taken me forever. But let's get started. So you can see here, you have the RCI sliders. which is great. This is, don't mind my feet. These are bolted on the side. So the only difficult part, and I do want to say, is the KDSS side, which is on the driver's side. So if you come here, we have this fully installed, but let me get under the car so you can see. So there's this cover along with this cover right here, and so there are two covers that you have to unbolt. There are no good explanations on YouTube that I've seen, and all I can say is whatever's on the driver's side that you see in the way of it being bolted on, unbolt it. Remove the KDSS cover. There's two covers, remove both of them. It'll allow you to slide the brackets underneath where the coils run, along with the brake line. So make sure you don't break that, but just make sure when you undo the cover, it does give you some wiggle room to push or pull the coils or the pipe and the brake line so that you can slide the sliders underneath it. But that is pretty much it. This is the project that we're doing. There's gonna be a lot more things. I'm actually gonna install a few more lights, Baja design lights on the left and right side, chase lights, and 8 extra large linkables by Baja Design. But this is pretty much it, and I'm gonna do a quick detailed look so you guys can see. Thanks again for watching. Deuces.